Hey everybody, welcome back to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew and today I have my little boy here, Logan.
Yep.
He's 7 years old, about to be in 2nd grade, and he's going to help us change a toner on a Xerox VersaLink C7030. All right, so we're going to get to changing this toner and Logan's going to do the hands-on while I tell him what to do on this one. All right, Logan, first thing we're going to do is open the front cover.
Yes.
Can you do that? All right, now we're going to be removing the black toner. So I want you to grab the black toner handle and pull straight out, all the way, and there you go. You removed your old toner. Here's your new toner. You're going to put it back in. Now, what you're going to look for on that new toner, hold it up so we can see it on camera. You have slides on each side of that toner.
Yes.
And they go into little holes on the machine on the gray front cover. Now line it all up, give it a good push in. Now push all the way until it's flush. All right, now we're going to shut the front cover. And you're done. If you'd like to see more videos on this same model, click right here.
If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.